Okay, we had to make the form all out of plywood and 2x4s, reinforce everything. And then once that is set, we had to make up the steel cage out of rebar to help reinforce the concrete. So if it does crack, the pieces won't fall all over the place. And that's about it. Dug the hole, put the gravel in, and set everything and backfilled, and we're all set for concrete today.
FITZGERALD Contracting, working with the veterans of Peekskill to get this war cannon back up. It fell down over the years, it settled, and now we're going to pour a large concrete pad to keep it in place for the next 100 years. So what we're doing now, we have a large concrete truck from Putnam Mobile Mix here, and then a buggy is going to drive over the concrete because it's so hard to work on this site. You can't just back up a big concrete truck. So let the fun begin. Here comes the first load. So it's been a privilege to work with Tim Warner. He gave me a phone call about this project, and I heard about it and was excited to donate our time and provide the material to pour this pier for the cannon. And it's a really great effort by everybody involved, fine gentlemen around me, and yeah, awesome.
And after this is all formed and poured and smoothed out and everything, the top of the form has to be cut out of place, and what will happen is the dirt has to be dug out to help to match the grade a little bit, and also accommodate the bevel that we have that's going to take the plaque on the front of the pier.